In this video, we are going to show you how to convert a Word document into PDF. Let's get started. Start by opening the Word document that you want to convert to PDF in Microsoft Word. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. In the File menu, choose the Save As option. A dialog box will appear where you want to select the location to save your file. Click on the drop-down menu next to Save As Type. From the list of file formats, select PDF. Choose a name and location for your PDF file, then click Save. Your Word document will be converted to a PDF and saved in the location you specified. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our 1000 Clicks YouTube channel for more useful tutorials.